In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open MetaTrader 5 Editor. If you use MetaTrader 5 for algorithmic trading or custom tools, you'll be working with MetaEditor, the built-in environment where you write, edit, and compile MQL5 programs. Opening it is simple, and I'll show you 3 convenient methods so you can choose the one that fits your workflow. First, the fastest way, the keyboard shortcut. Start by opening MetaTrader 5 and make sure the platform window is active on your screen. Then press F4 on your keyboard. That's it. MetaEditor will pop up in a separate window, ready to use. If you're on a laptop where function keys double as media controls, you might need to hold the FN key while pressing F4. This method is ideal when you want to jump straight into coding without navigating any menus. Second, you can open it from the menu. With MetaTrader 5 open, go to the top menu bar, click on Tools, and then select MetaQuotes Language Editor. The editor will launch immediately. This approach is helpful if you prefer using the interface or if your keyboard shortcut isn't available. It's also a good way to become familiar with where development tools live in the platform. Third, if you're working on an existing expert advisor, indicator, or script, open it directly from the navigator. Look to the left side of MetaTrader 5 for the Navigator panel. Find the item you want to edit under Expert Advisors, Indicators, or Scripts, right-click it, and choose Modify. MetaEditor will open with that file loaded, so you can review or adjust the code without searching for it manually. This is the most direct route when you're iterating on specific tools. A quick word on what MetaEditor is used for. It's where you create expert advisors that automate trading strategies, build custom indicators to visualize market data, and write scripts that perform one-off tasks in the terminal. Inside MetaEditor, you can also compile your programs so they're ready to run in MetaTrader 5, and review any compilation messages to fix errors before you test or go live. To recap, press F4 for the fastest access, use the Tools menu if you prefer clicking, or right-click and modify from the navigator when you're editing something specific. Most traders rely on F4 once they get the hang of it. That's all you need to open MetaEditor quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.